Using a mobile phone while skating on the ice is dangerous to you and those around you. Please use this app responsibly, watch first and practice later. Finally, brakes backwards. We're going to be learning your backward snowplow. So, essentials here. Remembering our body compass points. If my feet are neutral and facing front and I'm traveling down the corridor of either forwards or backwards in this case, I'm going to need to know which directions are going to cause me to slow down. When we were skating forwards, the direction that caused us to slow down and stop was angling our foot and gently sending it ahead of us slightly. That arrested our momentum. When we're skating backwards, it's going to be equal and opposite. So we're going to need to open our foot to face toe outward slightly, and the direction of momentum for braking is going to be a slight backward diagonal, okay? So we can practice that by the barrier, and then when we feel ready, we can take a few steps, glide on 2 feet, and then gently rotate that leg, and like opening the pages of a book, we're going to just gently graze and shave the ice. Again, because we're in motion, the motion itself is going to cause the blade to continue to shave the ice for as long as you need it to. So if you're skating gently and slowly, that friction will overcome your momentum very quickly. If you're skating very fast, you're going to find that you need to hold that shape, hold that position, hold that shaving of the floor position for longer for it to bring about your slowing down process, okay? So always make sure that you've practiced your backward snowplow at a gentle speed first, because we don't want any surprises. Remember, it's backward inside edge of your blade. The angle needs to be that diagonal. That's going to help you to stop. If we hit the outside edge, this is not a good scenario. This may cause you to flip up into the air. So we're definitely going to concentrate hard on feeling that inside edge as we execute our snowplow.
It is safest to master all of our stops bilaterally so that we're comfortable to stop on either one foot or the other, or even both. So practice both sides always. We can start building familiarity with the movement directions of this skill by the barrier, as you did with your snow machine in the earlier stages of this course. Taking the skill into motion, begin by keeping your speed low to reduce risk as you build experience and confidence. As always, prepare with well-organised posture, a straight back, bended knees and arms out side to side.